Okay, so if I am gonna review plushies and figures in the future, I'd figured I'd do it in my closet with this blanket for the table. I have my phone up here. I think it looks pretty good. And for my first thing to review on this set, I guess one of my first plushies I've had since I was little. This old parrot plush that is pretty simple but really remarkable. Uh, I think you can get him into some like neat poses, and yeah, he feels kind of not really soft, but kind of expect that for an old plush. Yeah, he's probably a big reason why I still collect plushies now. So thank you, Mr. Parrot.